the Small Engine Specialist. We are the highest volume small engine shop in the Jackson metro area. We work on blowers, weed eaters, chainsaws, riding mowers, push mowers, ATVs, UTVs, you name it, we'll work on it. If it's an outdoor power equipment, we'll work on it. We also have a full parts department. Our parts department can handle anything that comes in the door. If you need a specialized part, we can find it. If we can't find it, it probably no longer exists. We also have the ability to make parts on special equipment that is no longer available. We also do specialized work on lawnmowers, like rebuilding decks and stuff like that, because we're the only shop that can actually do that kind of work. We have free pickup and delivery. You can contact us at 601-939-7565 or visit us on the web at smallenginespecialistms.com.